Hi dear students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Seema Dudley. Welcome to my another video on programming in Java. In this video, we will start with a new topic, applet programming. So first of all, an introduction to Java applet. Applet is a special type of Java program that run on web browser. The applet class provides the standard interface between applet and browser. So in simple words, Java applets are small Java programs that are primarily used in internet computing. And as like any other Java program, it can be used to perform arithmetic operations, to display graphics, play sounds, and also it can be used to create animations and also to play interactive games. This Java applets have advantages as well as disadvantages. So we can look some advantages of Java applets. Some advantages are applets are supported by most web browsers. Then second one is applets have very less response time because it works at client side. Third one, applets are quite secure because of their access of resources. And the last one is the size of applets is very small, making it easier to transfer over network. And some limitations we can say as applets do not support file system. Then an applet cannot access the client side resources. Then we can say applet requires a Java plugin to execute. So these are the limitations. There are two types of applets, local applet and remote applet. Local applet is the one that is stored on our own computer system. When the web page has to find a local applet, it does not need to retrieve information from the internet. A local applet is specified by a path name and a file name. Then the remote applet is one that is located on a remote computer system. And this computer system may be anywhere in the world, maybe near to our computer or anywhere in the world. The browser must be connected to the internet at the time it needs to display the remote applet. To build an applet code, we need the service of two classes, that is applet and graphics. And the applet package supports the methods like init, start, paint, etc. ഇതെല്ലാം സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആപ്ലെറ്റ് പാക്കേജ് ആയിരിക്കും. ദെൻ ഗ്രാഫിക്സ് പാക്കേജ് നമുക്ക് ഗ്രാഫിക്സ് പരമായിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ഗ്രാഫിക്സ് പാക്കേജ്. Whenever we write the applet code, we have to import two packages, the graphics package as well as the applet package. Graphics package or the AWT package to support the graphics methods, and applet is used to support all the applet methods like init, start, etc. Next is the applet lifecycle. Here we have the picture to illustrate the life cycle of applet. So first is a born state. Born state ആണ് initialize എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay. അപ്പോൾ initializeന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഫംഗ്ഷൻ init of. Okay. Init of യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ born state, that is applet begin ചെയ്യുന്ന state. Then it will be entering into execute state, that is running state. Okay. ഇപ്പോൾ start of method യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അത് റണ്ണിങ് സ്റ്റേറ്റിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് സ്റ്റേറ്റിലോട്ട് എൻ്റർ ചെയ്യും. എൻ്റർ ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം ഈ ഇടയ്ക്ക് വെച്ച് ബ്ലോക്ക് വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി എൻറ്ററിങ് ഇൻ ടു ഐഡൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. that is stopped state. അവിടുന്ന് it will be re-entering to execute state by using the method start off. Okay, then അതിന്റെ execution complete ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് display ചെയ്ത് കാണിക്കും. Display ചെയ്ത് കാണിച്ചതിന് ശേഷം it will be entering into idle state and destroy of method use ചെയ്തിട്ട് it will be entering into dead state, that is the end state. We can check the different stages one by one. First one is the public void init of method, that is the initialization state or the born state. First stage neയാണ് നമ്മൾ init of എന്ന് പറയാ, that is the born state. The applet enters the initialization state when it is first loaded. This is achieved by calling the method init of. And in this stage, we can perform different actions like create objects if needed for the applet, then set up initial values, load images or different fonts, or we can set up different colors. Then next stage is the running stage or the executing stage, that is public start off. And this method is automatically called after the browser calls the init method. It is also called whenever the user returns to the page containing the applet after having gone off to the other page. So applet enters the running state when the system calls the start of method of applet class. So it is automatically invoked. And അതിന്റെ method എന്താണ്? Public void start off. Next is public void stop off, that is idle state. An applet becomes idle when it is stopped from running. Stopping occurs automatically when we leave the page containing the currently running applet. അതും ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി തന്നെയാണ് റൺ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആ ഫിഗർ കണ്ടപ്പോഴത്തേനും നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയിരുന്നു റണ്ണിങ് സ്റ്റേറ്റിന് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഓഫ് മെത്തേഡ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി എൻറ്ററിങ് ഇൻ ടു ഐഡിൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. അവിടുന്ന് ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി യൂസിങ് ദ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ഓഫ് മെത്തേഡ് ടു റീ എൻറ്റർ ടു റണ്ണിങ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. Next state is a destroy or dead state. Destroy or dead state means an applet is said to be dead when it is removed from memory. This occurs automatically by invoking the method destroy off. This method is only called when the browser shuts down normally, because applets are meant to live on the HTML page. You should not normally leave resources behind after a user leaves the page that contains the applet. Next stage is a paint stage. Paint stage means to display. That is the display state. Applet moves to the display state whenever it has to perform some output operation. So these are the different stages in the applet programming, that is born state, running state, idle state, dead or destroy state. Assignment questions. First one, explain applet life cycle. Second one, what is an applet? Complete the assignment and forward the pictures to the email ID provided to you. Thank you.